Silly Bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. Today we are making another baked oatmeal, and this time it's going to be a high protein carrot cake baked oatmeal. I haven't made a carrot cake version of anything really on this channel, so I thought it was time to do so. I love carrot cake, my husband loves carrot cake, and I wanted to create a version that you could actually have for breakfast, but you can also have as a treat or dessert as well. There is a secret ingredient in this that just really takes us over the top, and it's going to sound odd, maybe not completely odd, but it's not something that's typical in a baked oatmeal, but I'll let you know what that secret ingredient is later in the video. So this is a high protein version. It's about 20 grams per serving. I did cut the oats a bit, so I'm not using all oats. I am using some oats, almond flour, flax, so to get in some fiber in there as well. And the frosting on top is actually not cream cheese, it's cottage cheese. But I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the different versions of frosting that you can do on top. So the cottage cheese version is just easy for me because I have it. But if you want a cream cheese version, I'll let you know how to do that a little later in the video as well. So before we get to the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share videos with your friends and family. So let's learn how to make this really delicious high protein carrot cake baked oatmeal. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to grease a 9x9 baking pan. You can also use an 8x8, but you need to increase the cooking time by about 10 minutes. We're going to grab a medium to large bowl, and we're going to add our wet ingredients first. We're going to add 1 large egg. You can also use a flax egg for this recipe. I'm using 1 cup of milk. Any milk will do. And the secret ingredient is half a cup of freshly squeezed orange juice. It makes such a difference in this recipe. We're using a 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup. You can use any sweetener you like. 2 tablespoons of butter. I've melted the butter, but I've also browned the butter. You can do whatever you like. And we're going to whisk all of those ingredients. You could also use coconut oil instead of the melted butter, or even vegan butter. Let's add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, 3/4 of a teaspoon of ginger, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, as well as half a teaspoon of salt. And we're just going to whisk until everything is nicely combined. I'm going to add 1.5 cups of sprouted oats, half a cup of almond flour, and 1/4 cup of ground flaxseed. And 1 cup of shredded carrots. That was about 2 large carrots for me. We're just gonna give everything a good mix. And in order for this to be higher in protein, I decided to add collagen powder. So I'm adding 3 servings of collagen powder. You guys can also do 1 serving of your favorite vanilla protein powder, whichever works for you. I like this because it's flavorless and it dissolves quite easily. And we're just gonna mix that through. We are going to transfer this to our baking pan. And we're just gonna smooth it out, making sure that it's even. And we are going to bake this at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes until toothpick comes out clean. So we are going to toast some pecans. You can also use walnuts. I'm using a 1/4 cup of chopped pecans, and I'm also using a 1/4 cup of unsweetened shredded coconut. And we're gonna toast this on low heat for 4 to 5 minutes until it's just golden. Just keep it moving so it doesn't burn. And finally, our frosting. So I'm going to use 1 cup of cottage cheese. You guys can also use 3/4 of a cup of Greek yogurt and 1/4 cup of cream cheese, and you want to blend that. You can also use 3/4 of a cup of cottage cheese with 1/4 cup of cream cheese. I added 1 tablespoon of maple syrup and a teaspoon of vanilla and a dash of cinnamon. With regards to the sweetener, guys, use any sweetener you like. I used 1 tablespoon, but you can use 1 to 2 tablespoons. And you want to blend that until it's very smooth, about 2 minutes or so. We're going to add the frosting to the cooled baked oats, and we're just going to spread it out evenly from corner to corner. And that cottage cheese is really going to add quite a bit of protein to this as well. You could also add the pecans and the coconut to the carrot cake batter if you like, if that's what you prefer. I like the crunch to be with the frosting, but again, you guys do you. And we're going to sprinkle the pecans and toasted coconut all over the frosting. You can eat this right away, or I like to refrigerate it for a few hours before consuming. Enjoy our high protein carrot cake baked oatmeal. 20 grams of protein per serving and 5 grams of fiber. It is delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try this high protein carrot cake baked oatmeal, let me know in the comments below. Also, the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box as well as in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching, and happy baking.